In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this BMW 535i xDrive. This is going to be located in the trunk on the right side of the vehicle. Let's get into it. In the trunk on the right side, we're going to take this panel off. There's a push pin right here. Take that off. You can use a straight blade screwdriver. I'm just going to loosen up the center, or even a Phillips head screwdriver would work. Pull that push pin out. Underneath, just grab the floor piece, and then you can pull that up a little bit so you can pull the panel out. You might have another push pin on the side. This vehicle does not. Pull that out of the way. Disconnect the negative battery cable. I'm going to use a 10mm socket. Loosen that up. And disconnect it and just set it aside. Now we're going to remove this bar. Use a 13mm socket. Take these bolts out. Take that bolt out. Take that bolt out. Grab the bar and slide it out of the way. Disconnect the positive side. There's a little cover right here. Just push on the lever. Pop that door open. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen up the nut. And grab the wire. Just set that aside. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen up the hold down. Take that out. Grab the battery. Slide it forward. There should be a hose connected in the back here. You want to pull that hose out. This one is not. And you just grab the battery, move the cable to the side, and it comes right out. Now take the new battery, slide that in position. We're going to connect the vent. There should be a little 90-degree adapter. And hook the hose up to that. That's good. I'll take the mount, get that lined up. And snug that down. Make sure the battery is secure. Now put the positive cable on, get that lined up. Make sure it's all the way down. Snug that down. Give it a wiggle. That's tight. You can close the door. Take this bar, get this lined up, get this bolt started. We'll tighten that down. Tighten that down. Now connect the negative terminal. Get that lined up. And we'll tighten this down. Snug that down. Now we'll put this panel back in, lift the carpet up, get the panel slid in place, push the carpet down, it's lined up. If you had a push pin there, you want to push that back in. We have one right here. Lock it down in place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.